Now let's see the next paragraph. Unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window, and these windows shut upon their lives like catacomb. Catacombs means graveyard, grave that are opened and that can be shut. Clear? So the poet says that the government should take some steps to help these children. He requests them to change the life of these children and make the world map a reality for them. Unless governor inspector visited, this map becomes their window. When the government will help these children, only then this world map will become a reality from them. Actually, their life is shut like a catacomb. Their life is like a shut like a catacomb. So the poet says, break, oh break open till they break the town. So what is the need of the hour? There is a need to break the restrictions that are put on them due to poverty and lack of resources. Break, oh break till they break the town. So the poet says, हमें क्या करना है? We have to break the restrictions that are put on them. जो restrictions हमने उनके ऊपर लगा के रखी हैं, we have to break those restrictions. Only then they will be able to come out of these slums which are dirty. So the poet wants the government and the public to help these children in fulfilling their dreams and show the children to green fields and make their world run azure. Azure means bright blue color on gold sands and let their tongues run naked into books. The white and green leaves open. History is there whose language is the sun. So, what is the poet saying? The poet is saying that we all have to help these children in achieving their dreams, in fulfilling their dreams. And what will happen when we will help these children? This will take them away from the fog of darkness. This will take them away from the fog of darkness to azure sky, to the bright and beautiful sky. Azure means bright blue color. So this will take them away from the fog of darkness to azure sky. The poet wants to say that in this way the children can be taken away from darkness of their present to a very bright future. He wants these children to experience the sand and beauty of nature. What will happen when they will experience the sands and the beauty of nature? This will lead them to a desire of gaining knowledge. उनके अंदर एक desire आएगी that we have to gain some knowledge, and they will then go through the white and the green leaves. What is the meaning of white and green leaves? White leaves, books, the white and green leaves open. White leaves actually depicts the books and the green leaf depicts nature. So the poet says that they will then go through the white and green leaves, and this will then result in their progress as they will be able to paint bright future for themselves. History is there whose language is the sun. In the last line, what is the poet saying? In history, only name of those people is written who brighten the life of other people. In other words, you can say in history only the name of great people are written. बड़े बड़े लोगों के नाम लिखे जाते हैं जिन्होंने बहुत बड़े बड़े काम किए होते हैं. So if we will help these children, our name is also written in the history with golden words. So what we have to do? We have to help these children in coming out of these slums. And how we can help these children? By providing them good education facilities. Clear? Now let's see the poetic devices used in this paragraph. The first poetic device used in this paragraph is anaphora. What is anaphora? See the lines: run azure on gold sands and let their tongues run naked into books and white and green leaves open. Anaphora क्या होता है? You know, both these lines begin with the same words, the word run. So this is called anaphora. Next poetic device used in this paragraph is metaphor. In the lines, the white and green leaves open. For the pages, they have used the word leaves. So here we are having metaphor. I hope the poem is clear to you. Thank you.